this is the boiler, heat slave, Worcester heat slave 1519, and basically the tap that controls the oil flow inside, the kind of connector went on it, so that started leaking a little bit of oil, and then the oil pump went, that caused a lockout on the boiler, so that light was illuminated. What else? And also the fan motor, the bearings had gone due to the leak of the oil. So yeah, we had a new fuel pipe as well, plus probably other parts. So yeah, it's spent 2 hours fixing it, and it's all up and running. So unless the part's over, I think it was 200 parts more than 225, they then call back to the head office, and then you have to make a decision whether or not you want to pay for that part. Like the burner unit, I think he was quoting 400, 500, and then the tank on the back, that one, is quoting 600 for that. So yeah, if it's something absolutely massive, then you'll have to pay the extra, but for the basics, they're included, and the labour, so it's 275 including VAT, and that's all parts, all labour. So yeah, 2 hours and about 3 or 4 parts changed. Previously, a couple of years ago, we had problems, and we had a flow switch replaced, the pump, water pump, the PCB, and a air valve, I think it was. So yeah, for the price, and a guaranteed fix near enough, I would definitely recommend it. Right, so this fixed price boiler repair by Bosch, basically I just go to this address. I'll put it in the description actually, but yeah, you go to this page and there's like a kind of book an appointment, book an engineer. This bit here is if you've got an existing kind of like support plan, so you put your customer number in, but yeah, down here you've got have no contract or service plan, so request an appointment with a Worcester service engineer. You just put in here what your problem is, customer number, which I haven't got because we haven't got a plan. Put all the details in here, go down, it's not too bad, the form, description, appointment, which weekdays, receive an engineer, times, parking spaces, don't do that, otherwise you get loads of emails. So yeah, and then submit an appointment request. I'm just looking at my email now. So I did this, and this was done on Saturday night or Sunday morning, about 1 in the morning. I received a call, sorry for the dog barking, I received a call back on Sunday morning with an appointment for Monday morning, so it was brilliant. That got booked. They take payment details, but they don't take a payment until the job's been done. So if the engineer turns up and he says, no, the actual boiler is like beyond economical repair, so it is one of those parts that costs more than, I know, 225, like the for me an oil boiler it'd be like the burner unit or the big storage tank. So but you'll get an email back just giving you an overview of it, saying that it's £275, which includes labour, VAT and most parts. However, if it requires a shell, tank or backplate, if the boiler is beyond economical repair, the engineer will quote a revised charge on the day. Any parts fitted guaranteed for a period of 12 months. So yeah, like I say, the guy turned up, 2 hours, 2 or 3 parts that weren't cheap parts, like the oil pump, the fan unit, the fuel pipe, and some probably other bits that I haven't seen yet. You get an invoice with listing out what bits were changed. So yeah, I'd recommend it. Obviously, you can go down the route of getting like a specialist in, but will that specialist turn up with all the different parts and available to to fit them all at 275 quid? I doubt it very much. I'm not sure many people know about this, but it's certainly worth looking into. Obviously, you still need to get your boiler serviced, but when things do go wrong, you know, I've read the forums where people have said, plumbers come out, changed this part, it was still a problem, change that part. These guys will just fix it. It's a 91% fix rate as well. So, they don't just disappear and come back for a second day or, a third day. That's it, it's fixed on the spot. So, yeah, highly recommend this. I'll put a link in to the description. Any questions, give me a shout. And I hope your boiler keeps going. Oh, one note, I can't remember if I said it now or not, but I believe this does cover different types of boiler. Yeah, gas, oil-fired solar water heating, ground source heat pump, air to water heat pump, air to air heat pump. So it covers quite a lot of modern stuff as well. And also the age. I mean, ours is 2001, so it's 17 years old. So don't worry about the age of your boiler either. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you like. Remember to subscribe for more videos that come your way. Also, thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, any questions? I'll cover them all. Catch you later. Bye.